Okay, good morning everyone. It's been a while, and now I think we've evaluated some things under limits and some points you need to know, but more videos will still be coming under limits. And for those that have still not subscribed, you can just kindly go straight to the button and subscribe and click the notification bell to receive notifications. So today we're looking at integration. And under integration we'll be looking into evaluating integrals. So this evaluating integrals is talking about definite integrals. We have two kinds of integrals. We have indefinite and we have definite. Definite has to do with some questions where you have C, and then indefinite has to do with C, whereby you can't determine the constant, while definite has to do with the questions or answers whereby your C is already defined. So you get. So now we'll be going straight now to some questions so as to not waste much of our time. So under definite integrals, we'll be making use of two things. This is known as the upper end or upper limit. So I want us to have some principle before we start solving. So we need to just get this principle right. Upper end and upper limit. This is an example of how you have the definite integral, and this is your lower end or your lower limit. Now on this, this makes us know that in any definite integral you must have a upper end and you must have a lower end, which is your upper limit or lower limit. Then you cannot have your question in this bracket, then you have your dx. So now if we are having any question under definite integrals, it's making us to know that it is a difference between our upper limit and our lower limit. So here now in this integral, now like we all know that in under limit we said it has to do with function of x in the particular question. Here also has to do with function of a, which is our x here, and the difference from the function of b, which is our x here also. So the difference between those two functions is our definite, will give us a definite integral. But when we are now having indefinite integral, we'll be having a function of fa plus c, makes it indefinite. And how does this c cancels out? We'll be having fb plus c. By the time you open this bracket, you have a plus c, fb minus c. Then this negative will cancel this positive. Then you finally arrive at a minus. So in a definite integral, the integral constant cancels out. That's just the difference between definite and indefinite. So that's just it. The indefinite will surely have a constant, while in definite the integrals cancels themselves out. So they will arrive at our difference between our upper function or limit, or the function of our upper limit and the function of our lower limit. So now we go straight to our examples. So but just take note of this principle under definite integrals. Take note of this point under definite integrals. We are solving definite integral using calculator. Is only definite integral you can solve using calculator. And these are the key points: definite integrals and how the c cancels out. So don't forget to subscribe and then click on the notification bell so that by the time we drop the next episode you'll be aware. Thank you.